Hey friends, welcome back to Poshana. In today's video, I'm gonna share how to make this beautiful detachable multi-level Peetam at home. I'm super excited to share this with you all. I was not sure how well it will work to make it a detachable Peetam when I started this project, but in the end, the results are unbelievable. I hope you like this video. Please do share and don't forget to subscribe. Wait a second. We do have the winner announcement for Diwali giveaway. Please do check out the video until end. And we have a VIP guest who is actually pulling out the lucky draw. So I have all the wood pieces ready to make this project. So I'm gonna use wood glue to actually create the fittings, and later I'm gonna paint these. First, I attach the two wooden dices together to create the levels. Next, I created two types of spacers using the wood cubes. Finally created the pillar to hold the levels using wooden candle holders. Once all the wooden fittings are dried, I painted them with a base white coat and then painted them red. Here I created the round design, same one that I created on the large wooden Pooja Peetam video. Please check out that video for step-by-step process for how to draw this Rangoli design. I'm going with a single color for my Peetam. You can make it in any color of your choice. Using a paint pen, I drew the design and later using a zero size brush, finished the outline along with mandala dots. Here I finished the inner circle and outer circle Rangoli design, and then later added the mandala dots, and along with that I have added dots in the sides of the Peetam. I created two designs for the levels, one with simple Rangoli design and another with my favorite small and big dots.
So here all my Pooja Peetam stuff are ready. So I have my pillar and I have all the levels that I wanted to put the diyas or like any decor that I want to do. So I have the wooden pieces for this which are colored already, and I have the level spacers. So these spacers will be used to connect each levels. So I created it in two sizes based on my need, but if you want, you can always do it in like single like size and then do it. I just wanted to try like multi-size and different structure, so that's why I did like two level spacers. And then I just have like extra wooden bases, just in case if I have like little space left to connect the base to the levels. So that's why I just have them extra. Maybe I'll use it, or I don't know if I would use it. So my goal is to make this Pooja Peetam detachable. Like the levels I want to detach from the Peetam. I don't want to connect this pillar to the Peetam because I want to make it like a detachable project. So let's see how it goes, because whenever I want to use this Pooja Peetam, I want to detach it. If that is connected here, then it would be like a one piece. So I just wanted to try and use it like a multi-purpose Pooja Peetam. So let's see how it goes. Even I'm trying it for the first time. I hope it works. If not, I'll just attach and make it like a big Pooja Peetam with the levels. So that's what I'm gonna try. Let's see how it goes.
Here I'm using painter's tape to place the pillar where exactly I want it on the Peetam. And then this is temporary. I'm gonna remove it when I have all the layers attached. So that's why I'm using painter's tape, so that it doesn't harm my design and then easy to remove. Added the top level first, and then I started to build the levels from bottom to top. Before attaching, I'm just placing all the pieces together and see like if the gaps are right and everything looks good, and then I started attaching them using wood glue. This is the part of the project where we need a lot of patience. Why I say this is I had to wait for each level to dry completely before adding another level. I was afraid I might break the wooden pieces if I used nails. So I patiently sat there, took a break while it was drying, and finished it. So I'm just gonna hold it for 2 to 3 minutes to make sure it's there. It's attached. You can use like a small nail, but I don't know, I don't feel like using a nail. Wood glue is enough, I'm sure, and I'm confident that it would stay, so that's why I'm using wood glue here. But if you feel doing a small nail into these wood pieces would help, you can opt for it, but it's just my choice. I want to use wood glue and then stick them together, and I know they would be strong enough to hold it, so that's why I'm gonna use wood glue, and then just sit here for 2 to 3 minutes, and then yeah, it will be hold, and then I'll just leave it for 15 minutes and come back and attach the next piece here. So I'm gonna attach the next piece, and then same thing, I'm gonna wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna attach the other piece, and then I'll be all done. To the second feet of the Peetam, I have attached painter's tape so that the levels, whenever they are attached, it doesn't move.
So I'm done finishing leveling on one side, so I'm gonna finish on the other side and let it dry completely, maybe overnight, and then next day I'm gonna remove these tapes that I have attached. I'm gonna remove these, and then I'm gonna make it detachable and see how it works. So far it's going good, so I think it would work. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow after I finish the right side and then let it dry completely. So we'll be right back. Okay, today is the third day of my project, and I finished the right side levels and I let it dry overnight. So now I'm gonna remove the painter's tape and see how it looks. I hope the levels and the Peetam are detachable, and I'm super excited. It looks so beautiful in real than in camera. I don't know how it's looking, but I just love this. So now let's remove the painted tape and see how I can make it detachable Peetam, and let's see how it goes. Yes, it worked! So my Pooja Peetam is ready. Now it's time to decorate. So I'm just adding the beautiful elephants that I made, and then I'm gonna add it on one layer, and then I'm gonna add some diyas to the layers, and then yeah, my Pooja Peetam is ready, and it's detachable. That's the best part of this Pooja Peetam. So I can use it for any occasion. Like if I just want to use the Peetam, I'll use it for any puja. If I want to use the levels, so I'll just set it up. And actually, you don't need to put any diyas on these levels. Even just the leveling, and if you have the statue here, that itself looks so beautiful. I can't explain how beautiful this is looking in person. So I hope you guys like this DIY. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Let's say hi. Hi everybody.
Hi.
So let's mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Oh yeah. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. You want to pick one? Okay. And the lucky winner is Sarayu Secrets. Sarayu Secrets. Yay! Clap your hands. Congratulations and happy Diwali to everyone. Can you say happy Diwali to everyone?
Happy.
Happy Diwali! Yay!